Hello and welcome to Stock Voyage. We're checking out this week's biggest trades from WallStreetBets. We're starting off with an insane loss of over $2 million. Trader by the name of Mo went from a peak of almost $3 million all the way down to just $665,678.19. This might honestly be the biggest loss I have ever seen. Just the fact that you could retire with $3 million and instead you gamble it away makes it even funnier. Well, it took him almost a year to prove to everyone that he truly belongs in this subreddit. Next we have a truly insane gain. Trader by the name of Impressive Fig 9532 turned 6k into 430k overnight with Netflix puts. Can you imagine going to sleep after investing just 6k and waking up to $430,000? He made so much money by betting on a bad earnings report from Netflix. And yeah, just look at those percentage gains, up by more than 10,000%. His striking prices were at $415 and $450, and after the earnings report, the stock price just got obliterated and dropped to $384. Next we have a trader who truly thought he would be one of those guys and never expected to be one of those guys. Trader by the name of Jazz Taco Pizza is down by more than 90%. He's down so much because he bought Tesla call options with a striking price at $1,000 and an expiration date on January the 28th, which means they expired today. By the time he made this post, he was down by $422,000, and because Tesla stock isn't reacting as well as one could hope to the earnings report, his options will most likely expire worthless, which means he will lose that little money he still has left. Now on the other hand, here we have a trader who is retiring from options forever. He turned $100,000 into $1 million over 1 year, and looking at the chart we can see that he was surprisingly able to trade options profitably quite consistently. Anyway, he basically multiplied his cash 10 times, but honestly if he was able to do that consistently, he could put 900k in the S&P 500 index and try again each year forever, because in this case the S&P 500 index would have to go up by just 11% per year, but still I'm happy to see that he secured the back. Next we have a young trader who experienced what happens when you don't secure the back. Trader by the name of JW2001 is just 20 years old and he turned $5,000 into $90,000, but then he lost it all. He's down by 88% or $91,788.18 and left with just $230.82, but still he did turn 5k into 90k while he was still 20, so that's quite an achievement. I just hope he didn't brag to anyone about that 90k he made. Next we have a truly insane gain by JackLock366. He turned 37k to 855k in just 3 weeks. He bought Netflix put options on January the 5th with an expiration date on January the 21st and a striking price at $540. If anyone is wondering how he made so much money, he left a really long comment explaining everything. I'm going to sum it up, but if you want to read it all, just pause the video or slow it down. So here's what he said. He's an experienced trader as he has been trading since 2008 and he's somewhat successful. Normally he makes anywhere between 10 to 15k per trade, so the trade that he just made is extremely rare. But this trade is in his opinion not unique, because he has been trading earnings reports for a few months and he has seen how bad earnings slaughter prices like Python and Docu, and he had a conviction that this was no different. And he actually got inspired to do this trade from WallStreetBets. When the monthly earnings thread came out, people were talking puts for Netflix, which made him to look into these options. Anyway, at some point those options were good in the money. They were already a 6-bagger. He was cool with it, still thinking an extra 50-point drop for a few hundred though. Then the next day someone reminded him to check the ticker while he was at a restaurant. It felt like sitting in public and discovering you had a winning lottery ticket. Not all 6 plus the Powerball, but at least a 700k win. He told his wife instantly and she couldn't concentrate. He looked around and knew he couldn't just announce it then and there. First, the position wasn't closed, and second, he didn't want this restaurant of people hitting him up for money. He already has Reddit PMs hitting him up for $100. Anyway, I recommend you to read all of it as it was quite insightful. Next we have another trader who made a lot of money in a short period of time. Trader by the name of Special Afternoon 85 turned 43k into almost 500k in 1 week with SPY. Looking at his positions, we can see that he bought a lot of different options on SPY. He paid more than 2k in commissions and fees, but percentage wise he's up by almost 12,000%. That's like multiplying your money 120 times. Truly insane. If you want to see even more gains from WallStreetBets, click on the video that just popped up. Someone made more than 600k in just 1 month, and another trader turned $2,300 into 90k in less than 10 minutes. And all you have to do is click the video that just popped up. And if that is not enough, smash that subscribe button and press the notifications bell down below, so you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.